What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Boneca Ambalabu from Italian Brainrot. And by the way, I'm Marty. I've worked in the video game and film industry for over 25 years and I've helped thousands of artists just like you level up their skills. If you want to get better and faster, sign up for my free club newsletter. I'll personally send you a new workshop every week plus bonus materials to help you grow. Now let's get on with today's lesson. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of the page and draw a circle for the eye. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to add the pupil in the center, starting on the left side, curve this up and then down towards a point. Go back to the left side, curve this down and then up. Now I want to fill the inside of the pupil in black. Let's go to the top left side of the eye. I'm just going to add a fold going up, go across, and then bend that down. Now underneath the eye, we're going to add a fold coming down and then out. Now we're going to move over towards the left side, draw the edge of the mouth. Start by curving this down underneath the eye, go up, across, and then down. Let's draw the upper lip. Going up, bend this across and then in. Now we're going to draw the lower lip, coming around, in, and then down towards the chin. Let's curve the chin, going across, bend that down. And round this out around the corner of the mouth, around the cheek, and then in towards the side of the eye. I'm just going to add a fold on the edge of the mouth. Let's add a fold across the bottom of the lip, going across and then down. Now we just want to add a seam from the corner of the mouth, coming down and then in. Now on the right side, I'm going to draw a half oval for the right eye. I'm going to go up to the top, round up the eye, and bring that down. Let's add that same pupil from the inside, curve this up and then down, curve the bottom, and we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Now we're going to go to the inside of the left brow, curve the head, coming down, go up towards the right brow, and then curl that in on top of the eye. On the left side, we're going to add an oval, going around and then back up. And we'll add a few spots in the center in between the eyes, these small ovals. In the center of the face, let's add the nostril. Start with the left one. We're going to go up, curl this back in. Let's fill the inside of the nostril. Now move over towards the right side and do the same thing, coming in the opposite direction. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the left side of the tire. We'll start underneath the cheek. We draw an oval, coming all the way down towards the bottom, round this out, go up, and I'm just going to tuck this in underneath the head. Let's trace that oval along the inside. So we're going to start from the very top, draw another oval coming down, go up, and we'll close this off. Let's draw the inside edge of the tire, starting from the top. We're going to follow that same curve, coming around, just tucking that in. Now along the outside of this oval, I'm just going to add a trim. Just following that all the way around and then back up. Let's move over towards the right side. We're just going to layer the leg on top. So let's start up here, going up and then back down. Let's go back over toward the left side, curve the thigh, coming down and then across. Let's add the calf, coming down and in towards the ankle. I'm just going to bend this down towards the heel. Now on the inside, we're just going to leave a gap, curve the foot, going up and then out. And we're going to add 3 small toes. Start with the first one, going around and then in. Let's layer the second one in behind, and then add 1 more. Now let's add the large toe. We're going to go up, curl this around, and then in. Underneath that large toe, draw the foot coming down and in, bend this down towards the heel, and just bend this around and then back up towards the ankle. In the center of the foot, let's add a fold, coming down and then across. Now let's go back up to the top of the leg, bend the leg going around, and then in, and then down towards the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the outside of the tire. Let's start from this point, bend the tire going out, round this out, and just pull this in behind the leg. Now let's go to the bottom of this oval, curve the tire coming down and then up in behind. Now we're going to move over towards the left side and draw the back leg. We're going to start down here, curve this down and out towards the heel, round up the heel, pull this in, come down across the bottom of the foot, and then in towards the first toe. Let's draw that first toe, going all the way around like a circle, and then bend that down. Now on the right side, we're going to layer 3 small toes in behind. So we're going to start with a half circle, do that 2 more times, going out. Now in between those second toes, curve the foot, coming in and up towards the ankle, then it's in and then up underneath the tire. Now I want to add the treads along the right side of the tire. So we're going to start in the middle. Just going to follow that same curve going around, come down in behind the leg, continue down towards the bottom. Now we want to split each side in half, going in the middle. Now on the outside strip, we're going to add a series of straight lines. So we'll start in the middle, going across. Now I'm just going to work our way up, leaving a gap, going all the way up towards the top. And we'll do the same thing on the right, just going to line this up. Let's work our way down towards the bottom. Now inside these 2 strips, we're going to curve these down. So we're going to start from the inside, then it's in, and then down toward the center, and then continue down toward the bottom. Now work our way up towards the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Boneca Ambalabu from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.